Ayun. So, hello guys. 2 weeks ago kasi, napapansin ko parang ang daming nagpa-pop up or nag-a-appear sa newsfeed ko about sa boneless fried chicken. And then, ito daw, okay daw tong The Crunch. Kaya lang yung na-inquiren ko na branch is sobrang layo and then ang mahal ng delivery charge. Pero kahapon kasi nakita ko sa Grab na merong branch na mas malapit. So, I tried it. So, yun. Ang in-order ko pala is chicken shot with rice saka itong bucket ng chicken skin. So, open natin, ha? Yan. Yan. Chicken skin saka ito yung chicken shots with rice. Yan. Tapos, marami pong choices of sauce. So, ang in-order ko is honey garlic. So, try natin. Ayun. Order kayo guys. I'm sure masarap to.